What is a journal bearing? A journal bearing is a type of plain bearing used to support a rotating shaft. In this bearing, the shaft rotates inside a smooth bearing surface called the journal. Unlike ball bearings, there are no rolling elements. Instead, a thin oil film separates the shaft and the bearing surface. This oil film reduces friction via heat generation. Journal bearings are commonly used in engines, turbines, compressors, or pumpsheavy industrial machines. One major advantage of journal bearings is very high load carrying capacity. But proper lubrication is extremely important. Without lubrication, metal-to-metal contact can occur, causing rapid bearing failure. Simple engineering rule: good lubrication is equal to longer bearing life. Follow for more practical engineering videos. Join our upcoming YouTube live session starting June 2026 every Sunday to learn Mechanical Designing by SolidWorks 2026 from sketching to professional 3D modeling, assembly and drawing creation, etc., and live interactive discussions, practical examples, and real engineering learning. Subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you never miss the next live session. Follow for more practical engineering videos. If you found this video useful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon to receive future engineering-related updates.